You know right, assassini, airport and Timaya, Mojana Nanum Shegu Edigu on my eye.
Hello, good evening, Melody. Showing with your phone in our platform issue. Melody, by and your bonnet. And a pair of your beer meteor, or bread beer, also all bronze. And a neighbor man who reply. Brown also all bronze now, or did Jonas better now so be brewing in Biado. Maybe a bad time. Enti no me pesa man ti ase se oni right so obeba brew bi badua enua sana bra ba nkoyie no wote hwa na bra ba say no oni right so ono fi so aye okay na nkwala no fi say they have a problem till they want to defend their right. They have every right. So Melody ono papa no ni wire fisa Martin Luther King num na be fight ma no man na no watumi akotena obi cross na waso watena Italy watena Italy ho no me kotena ho na san efe na no owo ni university no wo yi ho no Ghana me Italy South ho Napoli Qualiano Pentamari Casavaccino ni nyina matena ho Ventimilla. Sata many yet tomatoes. Zion train. Into Menso Martina ho. And Alba North Hanon Sua Orcana, Milano, Padova, Vincenza, Malo, a way now minim ho. Venezia. And son on one cassa, ne bronze one Sua Orcano. Bronze one also minim ho papa. Minim ho. So minima World Trade Center. A Statue of Liberty. Concord we nyina minim we nyina. Bronze one wo muko gina mokola shop wo enum apetesi Ghana for mema so ho but no interest no nti no obi ba ya boy yi bone ben waye wonnim obi ase yeso kwa ye na so obi su aja no mo nso obi ani ho sukwa. If these boys are crying, they know what they've went through. What they would hear na wunya yi ticket na ofa na Lagos na wo baaye wo Lagos woni nyina minim ho nso minim ho nyina Victoria Island o Jora no mani ade nyina minim so ho na wo betena ha wonnim kwan ankwala no fa so a wo mo abrent no wo mani abre a wo mo fight papa mpesa me ka kire wo se me pesa me come out here say so wo papa no wo sika na kom de wa woni bre e ma wo wie sika ni bi enti nkwala no wo mo hwe gold ene new ejapade aga na wo na Dubai fo ni bie now ye ho kire ye ya they have every right to shout. They have every right to critic. Enti ametna ha me yesa na papa peni papa kofo betna so na papa kofo betna kofi yimhwe bi o. He was defending his party. Wan kan kura wom. Ne party no defending obey obetna aban so onya aban sika de hotel man man ye nyina na ye papa no benya political nation sika build a future. Into woman papa woman parent nation sika dia build ama woman it doesn't mean Ghana ni bia wo say ye ne woman ye pe ene wiase na ye wono so ye nyina ye ntumi nye pe eja mesra wa wo di living no me be living enim fon no aha nyina wani mu atan sa obenye obi me na fa sesi amu abaye comedies no wanye sika obia ni niti into Bob Marley to nyum bi o se chances are ye nyina ye ntumi nya pe wode Lewin compare Twin Jonas and Nana Mac Brown Nana Mac Brown no they are all in the Womoka society no Ghana no wona wo kasa na I'm sure say you are part of that society. Enti na you feel say Ghana is more better for you. Enti de ekobia na yema. My brother men kan kire. Tete na ni edi kapre no. Na Ghana was good. Enti say na ye no say no se bia ye wo mabi ni etu wo mo fo ne aka kire wo mo say. Tete no na nhye si Johnson bia. Na your light, street light. Your street light, your radio, Kasano Manomani Adi, your GNTC, your Kingsway, your grandma, your me where I was born. There was everything. Swahum. And I know Kano, Workers College, Nomani Adi, Nina, your library free. And then there were him. And then the moment ni biaba nanka wase nyoma kosro ekoyie no things fall apart enti nkwala na kasa ma won kasa na ja se de bia no aba gina so and the constitution and the muni PhD ni ade mi ye wo PhD ye ko university me man ko university wo boarding house na wo ko and I went to me ko boarding house so enti no mo ba no ma betina ho mo America kakra na mo de wo ho no mo pesa mo de kata nioma bi so no kra no wo ho mo mpese e beka no wa betina ha na wo buru obi bandua say de wo ye no ne daachi na enko ni yie na maame bi betina America na maame na wo betina America na wo kan ye choice wo na wo say yi aye yama no what are you doing there? I didn't know what America was a Ghana de Yamawa. I didn't know Uncle Ghana. Uncle Anisi said Ghana is not good for them. It's in they are fighting. I didn't know one more kono. I won't know the King David in ye one more bedi the terminate and penny for penny you want Casa what to one battle. Nessika wa one I won't shany year. Ubano bedu at him. Wouldn't my man can't tell. Let me tell you. Swang. Na mo ne da bia mo de nyini and the age na mo de no na nkwala na sa mo mpesa nkwala na beka wo mo feeling King David also onam fam Libya and odi bedru abrochire wan fa Lagos sa wo de ni bio na wo yes na me beba abrochire na me chele wotaba na chele wotane ba ya da na wan tena Ghana ho ade na wo ba abrochire wo ba more than 30 years and you are still here sa Ghana ne yamawa. Said your workers papa kofo kase Ghana has never been a yibia na Ghana when ye wo ye Ghana ye ko school no ye bie school a ye bia gina the dexes chi ni a mental book dictation book and ni e wo pen bia e friend na apes ni a chiche ni nyina man ni e ma ye books free so we really fear men can tell but I don't think say you had that time so na saa nyoma ni nu ho bio na nna ye bia ye hu ya na ye tu nkwala na fo ne ye ka che on say that was how Ghana was na wo say nkwala no na de na Ghana nya papa ho na ka kire wo wi afi sa Ghana na light sisi krom me nu krokro a wo fi so me every Friday bia na me foot train from Takoradi to Kejetia na makozu na Sunday nimre ya fa sleeper Saturday sleeper leather chairs na wo training aye ton Coca-Cola na Fanta no ni ade o fata ko ade takwa ni abo supristia manso dunkwa boase bekwai no abokumase no ni ade so ho na no kola ne kasa mo kan kola kasa bo sha wo mo bo sa no so expressing what this man in particular anytime you have something to explain to Ghanaians and so you are still living in America. If Ghana is good, why don't you go there? So we say nkophobia babrochire ye ni esi empenimfo ho ntini wo ma bra abase na wo mo abrochire no bra abase wo abrochire is better than going to Ghana. say na children as can say homeless ni abrochi na say ampa homeless wa abrochi wo pese wo ye homeless na wo beye because the system is working 24/7 said your woman can wuni ma me so me ka bi kira wo na also watena Europe baby me so I've been everywhere wo bronze wana nkasa kra minim wo pa only I just don't want to tell you baby na me wo so the system is working bus to every 1 minute bia na individuals na ya wo beka kire say twinje na sanhwe ya ne da ache be say na omobra no ye can say every 1 minute bia training na etu no eno no individuals na ya na state adwuma where you nursing school na abakọ ya na nda wo ya nurse so wo wie nurse na hospital ni ho anka be den wo nya adwuma ya nurse no. Oh yeah, mo kan no kra na ya kanfo no ye too much. We are too much. And I'm so can you antina was say you defend blindly. We don't see, we don't hear. Sikana why you know na abetina ho na wa so chinigenas mu no. Ada na on bisa kenofoliata say sikana was say go plane mo share that car so yale covid or the ebesie no. Offer ye sikambra. Why don't you tell them? Womo ba na ombeji sika na no matna so no wo na wo so wa ko school ko university me na ko university enso minim calculation. Why don't you make accountability with them now can you say hey America na mete no people don't steal politicians in yesika sa wo mu wi a said ya na eje kofo te wa say wa brochire wo bibia wa brochire na brochire ho na betumi akofa private jet wabra nkwala ni school ko wabra nkwala timi ase na say obekọ jail you know for sure say obekọ jail and so no you people will come and defend na wa so chin journalists no wa so your hini David na ada na motesa ada na mompe no kura kakwa sa no say nya aban na ye adwuma na ho na ye adwuma hwe me ba girl or a champion of judo owie school pe eno okoye soldier okoye me kura na minim me hu ya ne say oso okoye barracks adanya wase me ko soldier Ghana ho na betumi awie school no ono akasa de ne peke so obeko soldier na wo tie wi sika nyina mpa ya ma wo nko eno wakwa ye soldier wo wie ye no ene ye ka kapra na nkasa ka kire say how said you see smart no or prefer so obama na ko school mum no ko school na say ne de soldier na da ho enti no opel ye ready na say school na no mpe na obekọ a soldier ne de da ho tumi be anytime bi oba nne enti say no ye soldier into other reservist or ye reservist Ghana nkwala san ina benya sa chance na eno nya ban na ahihye individuals na ahihye bra miwura na wo kasa na individuals wo pese wo ko soldier eno an police eno an sa wo ko ya ne afaw wo nko tia bribe me ne wo kasa me ba no na ntade ni soldier ntade na mpaboa ne bag ebo na chidie odinsuo begum bibia wo fie ha enti aben boy ya na yi ni boy ya no address no okọ wanto ye the man free ntade maako soldier ntade maako be 6 or 7 ene ye the man free ye ntia kapre okọ so odidi free bosume sokura ni asetua ne ka ye man ye sama ni sika ada na mo mpesa mo be ka no kura sa na nioma nkoyie na nkwala no ye nkokura ne mrewa ne ntumi nkasa na youth ne kasa mo pesa mo suppress youth no so ma wo mo nkasa na mo bru wo mo nia wo bi bru ba bia ebe ye ode me ya batan enti kwan a wo kasa fa Jonas ho ena na bra bo nsini yie no wo so wo made nsini yie efi se empenimfo na bu bebi so wa manya nko ntwa nkro a wo so ntwadu woni pani kasa no nti asam na se a ya maye na nanum yi woni wo kasa no anti obeka fo a kire na mo mi fi a good father or a good mother obie ni ho obeka fo akiro me man kasa rough nkyere me. Why? Because I'm always ready for them. So hwe de nsu aye wo Ghana enu wunu ankwala na eka for simpanimfo no no wo mahwe hwe de Chinese for what betna broche. You know how wicked Chinese are. Chinese ni baby ayo nkase wunim pa na nkwala won kan na nkwala na eka wo say ne dachi won mobla fi so o ka politicians won asem na nka wo mo nka ho anenka. Is it not their future they are fighting for? Abrochire ha nyina nkwala na fighting for mu future. Minim be kura me wom no actually so every month bia no COVID nyina demonstration etemu de bia nkwala yi abemo bi committee suicide was school school university for lock the whole one the telephone one from the whole nation university enough lock one pono sasa Biden take a decision and the president took a decision as I say no man said eduane dodo bia obedi ne yi fanta ne coke bia ne yi dessert bia obedi ne nyina ya €1 they made it cheap for the youth ne so omo di mo omo nto won womo omayo no womo ko excuse me to say womo nya womo period womo ko womo toilet university wo pad na go free. And so how womo ni gold womo ni diamond womo ni yintin kwala na hu say we have all these things na se yempanimfo no pese womo use the poor nation now. Then they have to ask them questions. We want to me and Misa. When you never also were the 65 or said you couldn't ask them because you're near your majimba for. And see none to me they can make calculation and who said what on petrol now oil now one more ton send woman ya gold one more ton send woman ya and tin woman to me and fan building. So woman anuti asante hina they have every right asante hina ti asante maso wajeje asase to na oje ye no ye de wo yajeje to aye de gu account mu. I'm asking you brother yajeje to aye de gu account mu yajeje to aye de ye o man ni ye ko Dubai enya ahemfo na wo ho enya isika no omo je omo nya no omo di sisi skyscrapers no woko Morocco aburo ni wo so ya wo say youth no ena mobra na de ende bra nkwala yi tu kwan ba abrochire binu man enya brofo ni won nya contract wo mo kwa na mo politicians na nkasa suppress won because no wo mo di sa wo mo yenti na nkwala na ba mabunu wo mo asan ba back Mona mo kase enna ubetumi individuals nkoye no mo ka gang no ho enti when you go there everything works for you what kasa man fonko me catch them me bapani kura so onko fie no onko pe bibi nya o catch them say wo kwa politicians no kura empeno masibroni baako oye sa kitchen set TV onu ankasa ekrom ha sorry oye papa ma yede ne ba ayi papers mi na na mse nka o me enko Ghana o se hwe nanka ya ban no MSN na brabo what one year to banks mi na wo asambe na mo kan entra ayi na do trato bank for so se wo ma boka en oje ya na odi ama ayi ofori ata ni nyina mo te ho munim se ni nyina ya zan so you people support. You don't see, you don't hear. I bet now say Jonas no and yenim hwe and a constitution and a constitution say constitution. Why don't you go and build the nation? Is that how we should stay? Sana wasa omani ye. Omanya 60 sa the bad time I would call suku na wo university no wa hu say na GNTs wo ho wa hu say na Kingsway wo ho wa hu say na Leonard wo ho wa hu say na Grammar wo ho wa hu GB Olivant store sala na wo Ghana no where are they? Ships are na wo Ghana ships and where are they? enti by now no nka saa ships no kura nka ya sanya no double ankenchen say na yenye oye ni ade no you don't want to ask questions na wo se yenka ya nuntum ya bro esu na kwala na ya wa batena yisu na ana wo mo da chimye wo mo ye because they are asking for their rights bra me pa cho why a big mistake me ya bad time pa me do hu ya say wutum betena yi no so ebe kasa against these boys no ya kasa fix the country ya nkasa de yo sika na wo masesa no wo mfa bi wo na wo so wo free wanchi wo so wo kwa akwan ni wo hu ne se de tie ya kasa fix the country e be se ya kire ne se wo mu di sika no se ye NDC ye MPP wo mu di sika ma obi so onye roader they should go for control no wo mu hwe the thickness of the road na wo mo ye no nipa kro no so di sika na e was a ban chi ni tum ya kasa fix the country e was say obi this guy dey no ho you mo can say undercover or hospital no hwe the way a nurse bi kasa kire patient ye nipa kro ne di ya kasa fix the country ya say wo mo pampan sisi ho na ye yare a wo no so ba ka America. What's also a coffee, and we are talking about Miami Bia or Obu Gane Nimutia, and Tina Braba, Mamma Braba, a choice. They were gonna for you or more choose sister, they will stay here because I had no Anya or Yalia on that form. It's a choice. And to not find any excuses in Kasasa, a bit my brother say, a bit one and a brother say, what you fear, mammy, tell you, Anna Kaya, was a me talk tomatoes in my bruni, mean Tom, Mukoma bruni, I was so with Yamaka, or say, na brother say, a brother, I say, no one. Well, brother, no, being near the unimpon wedi. Or gold or diamond or bauxite or BB say President Kufuor some kind some papa may what may be pa son or no I was so sorry sa papa penny so no ye be some questions no to papa so and the other time so ye penny no no one escaped and no crack obetumi I am papa na emu no menso mani afi tama ni edi kapra ni di bi pa brown color no kapra dama ni aba sampoa teku sampoa miensa sra ko na fa ni nyina mi di bi why enti no ya munja ye huhura na mudi huhura nkwala na mo mpesa mo be ma nkwala na kasa no abetna eyisu na wo bonkofo madua ono fa desert so na nani abre hwese de esi ye wo mo wo Libya na obi ani abre na oka na hi asama wo se wo mu di mpanimfo atamnti no yi wo mo abre abo nwie ni yie wo enwie wo mu ya wo so mma de enwie wo mu yie abai de botechi ye de boba wa manya nko ntwa nko a wo so ntwadu mo man kwala ni nye free no wo mo nka wo mo bo so asem na Chinese for na ebegu on dia won kan kira ayi nanado won kan kira nanado say ayi Chinese for ayi wuntumi nkwa China nkotu gold won kan kira me call Ghana mrebi na me call dunkwa ofi na ye sha na ye timu akochie no ne ade no isu na we na me say ada na mo yesa wo mo say empanimfo no kasa na me say na mo nchi Chinese for no nku wo mo wan secretly na yet one Chinese wo betumi akoyesa wa China she sem hunu bi a wodi mo oyi president ni di what ho ayi Chinjona snake ohin David asam na abaka endua na wo bedua no wo de galamsey sa so wo bedua nua na what the price of the trees 125 million. Oh, are you there? Wa bra nkwala ni school 125 million na ye ko school no na ye maye dua nua me pesa me ka che o se me tire akro kasie mu pa and I'm a grassy. And what you are talking about in Minimina, ye near Cochonina, a joie de bia duonina co near Bia. Nina na fefe. A fefe near the Ocosimulum. And near 125 million. Sad time, no. Near Badge, Echo School, near Tom. Why? Woko school ya plus school ni kama. Ya kasa fix the country. Ya buying any individuals. So stop telling people say people should fix their mindset. Aban na waso wa shamra. Wotu wa America hono. Nya aban na afa nkofo no wo sise nwira wo kurom ho. Individual na yeti kurom na ne yakwase se nwira no. Ha? Na mo kasasa mo ba mo na makọ matena Europe na matena hehe we nyina nso ye chin o ye chin pa ye chin wa America ho nyina ye chin bi wherever you have been I've been enso men kasasa because me who say ye abai no de no abrochira ha no the system is working 24/7 nti me ka no kura na ewo mu no men kata so Sagana phone kwala na wase wo mo bo ba awase aban no eboa won wo ye nurse na wo wie ya transfer wo kwa ha kane yesusa na ye ko hospital ko mia ye kuro nyina eye free and na hwa na ko hospital free wa Ghana and na hwa na ko school ko hospital free wa Ghana Yakoko mia ye kuro ni amaye dress atam nurse fo hye wo monta je green je wo mo cha white fe hospitals wusi wo kura no wani aka age na ni nyina asai na ye kasa why say wo sesai wa bra efe ni yenye sika wo se me yanka sa time no ni nyina no kura na ni enhede nye sika pisa nne no na ni e wo sa ni o mani nyina ship besi habo. Me have been inside ship before. Yeah, the ship ba dry dock me kokofo ehwe. Enti no me no nya brochira ha ana me baby sausage. I know everything before I came to Europe. Hot water bottle. Me share na sign down ni nyina ndwale bi ansa na mbeba brochira. Mo me yenye free. No better no be din go for matem. No be yanko. Why? Because you people don't want to speak the truth. Mama nkwala na nkasa. Na munya sa mudi mu age no ACC Ghana for youth no. Let them talk. Because we share the ekoso na enye. Abrochira ha say 18 years. Ya ubetumi anya dan ma aban edo etua wo dan ka ma. Enya aban na eye individual na etua dan ka no. Ekwa don kwa kan wante ono kwa wanko school no we dey na me ko university and so what ekwa don kwa no oka no o se wo yi oba wo a obetua naka why because onim say we have the means na mpanifo ni na eba ya bro hwehwehwe wona mo se mu PhD na mo ko university mo ko fa desbin na aba ameye de yi nwira guma hwe desbin o mo ko fa we ma hu say they are not critical thinkers we ni individual houses na use we ni na so o ma be school abrochire sa desbin we ye disisi krom na no akwala bi ko kasa esi ambaka se wadi atem na Ghana for bibia anya ye fe. Why? Because they don't do the right thing. And if you don't do the right thing, I will see a man who say you are not doing the right thing. Please. Mama tokra say wasa be gina say you can Jonas uba bro bi madua. If it's good for you, what about America for na 2 coin na matina Italy na matina hwa. What are you doing here? Ghana is good for you, no? We tell what na wo kra na ebedru ho no. Kotoa so. Na ye no na wo no ya bra basai no. Ye ntena ha 24/7. Ni entenam. na kɔdwɛn wɔ Akufo-Addo nom no na go and help them to steal all what is going on. Ensua na asɛ no woka asɛ wote America nti wokɔ enyaw. Recently brother bi kɔ Ghana ɔbaa ya na yɛgye ne to hospital na yɛbisa sɛ ɔkɔ yɛkɔdidi ɔso apesie ne nyaadoa bɔ mpɛ no odi. He had an infection because nyaadoa no koraa na yɛ ɔkɔtotɔyɛ na odiiɛ no problem abam. Na sɛ wɔn nyinaa no wɔmɛyɛ nka na sɛ wobɛba abɛburu obi bɛnua sɛ wɔ hɔ wɔnte sɛ brother bi fi aburokyire kɔɔ yɛ a wɔte ne kaa mu ɔkɔ yi sika yɛbɔɔ ne tue no wokɔ no yɛde gu tirim anka you will support them to defend the nation. Sɛ wokɔ ɛne yɛde gu tirim yɛgu bullet wɔ tirim a anka abɛba abɛka sɛ wobɛma wɔn wobɛsupport wɔn sɛ wɔn defend it. Insecurity bibi nyama bi basa bibi ni hɔ ɛkɔ yie what they compare tete no sɛ na papa tofoɔ papa kofoɔ se na kofoɔ obetumi de ɔbɛka no korɛ because the party na was so he doesn't want to speak the truth. Me say me na me ka kyerɛ tete na radio esisi krom radio me na me say one more name say na radio sisi wom kro won baka kire radio light nti yasole a yen kwala na yasole yase yakọ gas ase yakotra gas ase ho na yetena ton anka chinka tie nyina eyeyi na mmom na ani bia ba no ye ni light dum so a wo se me yanka enne solar panels ndi ayi a etumi awia bebrebe ebo wo Ghana nka light ebe ma ye bi ni impanimfo na ndwen wo mo ndwen me kam wate they are not critical thinkers na sankwala na ka ma wo mo nka because sa dwene wo mo tum na wo mo nya kromfo a enka Ghana enka to be more better than Dubai. Mon face fact no say the truth na mun ja say mu defend na mu bron kwala nua no mo better na brochire na na kwala na mu ade na me ken so mo amo yasa no mo kra na mo man ka kire am say get a fork wa America ho tutu nsama kase e kire mo ho men so dia me waka no me ya sorry melody na nsam bi wo hwa ya na ha adwen nti a wose nipa kana adwen ena maka no nti bra na obaka seti a twindwe na sene no David no menso me mu aya amede ma no onim abrochire nyina menso me nim abrochire nyina Ghana minim Ghana nim Nigeria na okofa ne mpaboa ne ade Togo baby Ivory Coast I've been all over there nti ne ya ne kasa yen kasa ne yen defend Ghana no na Ghana say Ghana nyese na Ghana tie me jam nyina wa ha temper na so sometimes no we have to push on